Okay, we're coming in the front door of the Cardinal 29, and when you look straight ahead you see that slide. That's the dinette slide. You turn to the left, you got your kitchen and your living room back here. See? So the stove and the fridge and the entertainment center are on a slide, and that slides out, and then you have this full back area here, which is great for pulling in if you're going on the water, because you can sit there and watch the water. And then you have this section here. This is the other slide out, and that whole section slides out. And you could put a, they had a sleeper bed in there, but we didn't do that. So you got your entertainment, you got your refrigerator, freezer, your oven, stove, sink, and all that there. And then I'm going to go up. There's the front door. And then up here is the bedroom. And this door right here is the bathroom. And then to the left is the shower. See? And there's the bathroom. It's winterized now, so everything is safe, and it's got a powered vent in there. But the whole camper is winterized right now. So up here in the stateroom, this is kind of cool because you have a sliding door here. So if you want to close yourself in, you can. Or you can leave it open. And you got all that hotel space there. Again, here's your shower. Winterized. And your queen size bed. And this is this is the other slide out here. So there you have it. It's a big bedroom. You got windows everywhere, big chest of drawers here, tons of storage because you have these sliding doors here that's all storage and hanging clothes space. Stereo all throughout, AC, heat, everything. Just needs you. I hope that you enjoyed this, and this is my Forest River Cardinal fifth wheel, 29 feet, 3 slide outs, pretty awesome.